Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to download and set up Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, and then we will see how to add Claude Code into VS Code. If you are into coding, automation testing, AI-assisted development, or even if you are just starting your programming journey, this setup can really improve your productivity and make coding much easier. So let's get started. So the first step is downloading VS Code. First, let's download VS Code. Open your browser and search for VS Code or directly visit the official website, Visual Studio Code official website. Now, click on the download button. Choose the version according to your operating system, for example, Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I'm using Windows, so I will click on download for Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. VS Code. Now the step wizard is open. Click on next, accept the agreement and again click next. Choose the installation location if you want, otherwise keep the default path. Now continue clicking next. Here, make sure the options are checked. Add open with code, action, add to path. These options are useful because they help us open files and folders directly in VS Code from anywhere in the system. Now click install. The installation may take a few seconds. Once completed, click finish. And now VS Code is successfully installed. Step 3. Setting up VS Code. Now let's do some basic setup inside VS Code. When VS Code opens for the first time, you will see a clean interface. On the left side, we have Explorer Search Source Control extension. Now let's install some useful extension. Click on the extension icon. Extension. Step 4. We need to add Claude Code to VS Code. Now let's integrate Claude Code into VS Code. Claude is an AI coding assistant that helps developers write code faster, understand logic, debug errors, and improve productivity. It works similarly to AI coding assistant and can save a lot of development time. Install Claude extension. Go to extension sections again. Search for Claude. Install the Claude extension available for VS Code. Sign in. Once installed, click on extension. Now sign in with your Claude account. After successful login, Claude will be connected with VS Code. Now everything what you need is done. So now let's see a practical example. Inside VS Code, I will ask Claude, write a Java program to check whether a number is prime or not. Add Claude generate the following. So you can see the Claude gives us prime number code, also how it works, and it also showing us the output for both the prime and the non-prime numbers. We add Claude Code in VS Code. Here are some major benefits. It helps generate code quickly. It explains complex code in simple language. It helps debug error faster. It can write automation script and test cases. It improves productivity for developers and QA engineers. Beginners can learn coding more easily with AI guidance. It saves time by reducing repetitive coding tasks. So basically, Claude acts like an AI coding assistant directly inside your editor. Today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to download VS Code, how to install and set up it, how to add Claude Code into VS Code, the benefits of using Claude, and how Claude can generate and explain code inside VS Code. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.